I do already see that this boot could have some sort of a defect going on. Unfortunately, I might have to contact the company. This right here, this is my new pair of Cowgirl boots. I actually bought my first pair of Cowgirl boots in high school when I worked at Starbucks. Saved up all my money to buy not only Cowgirl boots, but also a longboard. So recently I had pulled some stuff out of my parents' garage where I was storing it and realized that the cowboy boots that I bought in high school, I ended up having to throw away. They were moldy, ew. And I told myself, if I throw these away, which was very hard to do, I'll buy myself a new pair of cowboy boots. The boots I decided to buy, they are the brand Freebird. They are the style Willie in black and size 8. We're gonna do a little unboxing here for everyone today and a little review on the boots. So if you aren't subscribed, make sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel. I'm uploading 1 video a week or 2 videos a month, depending on how busy I am. And let's get right on into opening these bad boys up. We open it on up, and I have not even looked at them yet. I've kept them in the box until I was ready to film this video for all of you. So with this nice little Freebird envelope that I'm assuming has the invoice. We've got some nice kind of snakeskin design paper and a sticker here that we are going to peel on open. So it's a pretty nice dust bag. It's not super cheap feeling, so that's great. It's something we can reuse. And here they are. Oh my gosh, this is the first time I'm seeing them. So the first time I ever saw this brand of boots, I was in Atlanta for work with my coworker. And we had gotten Jenny's ice cream. If you know what Jenny's ice cream is, shout out to Jenny's, amazing ice cream place. And they had an Urban Outfitters across the street. I wanted to go in and it was closed. And then we saw the Freebird store right next to it. And I was like, I'm gonna go try on Cowgirl boots because that store smells like leather and I love it. So we went in and I tried some on. They did not end up having my size there at the store, and they were doing a 35% off sale. So of course I had to buy myself this new pair of boots, and here they are in their glory. Let's pull out the other one. They are handmade. These are handmade cowboy boots, cowgirl boots, whatever you want to call them. And you can tell that like each one is like slightly different than the other. But that's kind of what gives them such great character. They are so awesome. I got the black ones. There's also a whitish colored pair that had like, there's a heart right here in the middle, if you can see it right here. And the white pair had like a red heart. I really wanted to get the white pair, I'm not gonna lie, but I knew that these would be more classic and go with many more outfits. So I went with these and told myself that if I really loved them, that maybe I'll buy myself a second pair and get the white pair just because they're a big statement piece. But here they are. They smell amazing. Let's just start there. Inside we've got some boot support. So it's like a cardboard piece that's sort of supporting the boots. And let's see what's way down in here. Probably paper. And let's make sure there's nothing else. Nope, that's it. Beautiful. It says what style it is. We've got the Willie size 8, and the entire boot is made out of leather, as it says here. I do already see that it looks like this boot could have some sort of a defect going on the inside here. So unfortunately, I might have to contact the company. You can see where these pull tabs are here on the side. On the inside, you can see that it's sewn appropriately on this boot, and I'm gonna show you the other one. So you can see here, I don't know what happened, but it looks like however it was being sewn, it looks like the leather kind of got eaten up a little bit right here and it just missed the boot. So I'm not sure what's going on with that, but I'm absolutely going to contact the company about it and see whether or not they need me to return these ones for a different pair. But the only other thing I'm seeing Unfortunately, we see a little bit of some defects, but they are handmade, so I understand that. We will still contact the company to see if there's anything we can do. Do we need to return these ones, get a new pair? Because I feel like if that pull tab isn't sewn on properly, then it's probably going to end up ripping when I try to use the pull tabs to get the boot on. Also, the girl at the store told me to make sure that I bought a pair that were a little bit tighter versus looser, because the leather will stretch out over time and it will conform to your foot. So being that my boots are tighter and I'm worried about the pull-on strap, I think it's a good idea to contact the company. So we will do that. But that's my first impression. They are beautiful. I'm very excited about them. But unfortunately, sometimes you get something sent to you and it's defective. I've had many things in my life sent to me defective. It's not that hard to contact the company and figure it out. I'll keep you guys all updated. So I gave them a phone call and I actually looked at my invoice slip. It literally mentions on the invoice slip that you need to return within 30 days of the package being delivered to your house. So, of course, I am over the 30 days because I was waiting to film this video for YouTube. So I called and I talked to this girl and she told me that I could send them an email of the defects and hopefully they'd be willing to help me. And I sure hope so, because when you're filming a review video for YouTube on an unboxing of a product, I don't think that that's the person that you might want to make unhappy with your customer service. So I'll keep everyone updated, and I know I've been really excited to release this video, but it sounds like we have a little spin on the video. We're going to find out, A, what is Freebird's customer service like, and B, will I get a different pair of boots? Because there are 2 defects on these ones, and I'm going to throw up the photos right now. You can see in one of these photos, there's the pull tab issue where it's kind of like, it's like the machine must have grabbed the leather and sort of sewn on the wrong spot, but there's also some like straggly pieces of leather that don't belong there. And the second one shows that there's this thin layer of leather that's supposed to be at the top edge of the boot where it kind of lays against your leg, and it's like twice as thick. Not only is the leather much thicker than the leather on the other side, it's like double layered, and I don't know why it looks like that, but when I put it on my foot, it looked really funky. So I did not end up getting footage of me trying them on, but we're gonna see how the customer service route goes, and hopefully we get our favorite, most perfect pair of boots, because I'm going to tell you right now, these are not inexpensive boots. I believe generally they're like $375, but I got them for 35% off, so I think I got them just over $200, which I don't think anyone wants to spend, you know, over $200 or upwards of $300 on a pair of shoes that have defects. So keep your eye out for the actual Freebird review if I'm able to return these and get a pair that are not messed up. But life happens, and sometimes life happens and you catch it on camera. Yep. All right. See you in the next video, everyone. Have a good day. Bye.